Hello everyone, welcome to S.A.University. So today we will discuss about how you can check communication between two or more server by using ping command. So here you can see I have two nodes. For primary node is SAUAD and secondary node is user. So here you can see this is my primary node and this is my secondary node. So I want to check communication with my primary node. Okay, so just click on window R and type CMD, enter, and here you can see typing command. Okay, and now you need to give IP address of your secondary node with whom you want to check communication. So just type 10.10.1. It's my IP address of my secondary node. You can give your IP address of your server, okay, according to your PC. So just enter. Here you can see communication is fine, and now I am going to check communication on my secondary node. So just click on window R, type CMD, enter, and type ping space, and now I am going to check communication of my primary node with secondary node. Okay, so my primary node IP address is 10.10.10.100. Enter. Okay, so you can see communication is fine, they are communicating 100% perfectly. So if you face any problem in communication, you can just check your IP address. Maybe IP address is not correct. So you can check IP address, and also you can check your window firewall. Okay, go on your control panel, go to security, and here you can see Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it, and here you can see if your window firewall is on, your machines will not communicate. Okay, but in organization, they use third party software to communicate. Okay, so in organization you cannot stop window firewall because of security purpose, but here you can close it. Okay, don't worry. Okay, thank you so much, and please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.